Okay, let's talk about expenses for a 1099 form, subcontractors, or self employed. It's important for you to have all expenses that occurred during the previous last year before you start filing your taxes. So I have noticed that from my clients that there are information that probably they don't know or they are not aware that the IRS allow you to claim those items or those expenses into your taxes. Let's start, for example, if you work from home, you can also claim that space designated in your house as a business, as an office, because you are working the administrative side from your business in your house. So if you do that, you can claim a portion of your rent or your mortgage into your taxes. That is an expense that is allowed by the IRS. So also it's important for you to track all the activities that occurred in the previous year. Let's say, for example, if you conduct any research before start your business. Sometime when you want to start your business, you don't know how to start it. So what do? You start paying people that help you or provide the services to guide you how you can start your business. Let's say a lawyer, accounting, or any professional services. Those services are also allowed by the IRS to claim as an expenses. It's important for any kind of business to track every single expenses of every single transaction that I have. Um, and other expenses that also you can claim if you met with your client and you have any dinner, or you invite your client for anything, just to, sometimes you have to do some type of gift. Those type expenses are also allowed by the IRS. And let's talk about something important for subcontractor, because I just have it right now on top of my mind. And contractors or people that have a construction, so, especially people that works in construction, people that work in construction also, they usually don't do all the activities that are part of their job. Let's say they have a contract for to build a house, but they actually have their employees only for sheetrock. So they're gonna need electricity. They're gonna need electricians. They're gonna need a plumber. They're gonna need another other type of skills that they don't have in their business. So those subcontractor, I know you are a subcontractor, but also you have another subcontractor that it's important for you to keep track in the amount you pay to those subcontractors. Now, in order to do that, there are some documents that you're going to need before the next year. For example, in 2023, uh, let's say you pay an electrician, and they do some type of job into your contract. That that company needs to sign some documents for you. If that's your case, please reach out to me as soon as possible. I can give you more details about it. So go back to the beginning when we were talking about the portion of your property that you use for administration or anything, any kind of document that you're working with. That's also important that you have to claim that portion in your taxes that help you every year to reduce your tax break. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. And I just want to once again to give you an update that what is going on in with the IRS. So every year they change their rules. They have something new. We never know, but it's important that you keep communication with me in this case, so I can help you every year to have all the documents or all necessary documents for your coming next tax return. Let's say right now, I want you to take a look all your items. You can check your bank statements and see what kind of expenses occurred last year. You can claim actually this year. I just want to help you the most I can. And once again, if you have any question, just reach out to me. But please, please don't wait until the last minute to start looking into your taxes, especially if you are self-employed. You need to write it down. You need to have your profit and loss spreadsheet with all the information for your business. That's important to you. Have your income really clear and your expenses as well, so you don't have any kind of trouble, any problem when the time for to file your taxes is. So please reach out to me or reach out to any person that you really feel comfortable with and have your information ready so you can have your tax return property and you don't have any problem. Nobody want to have an audit with the IRS, but if that happens, is that your case, you can have all the supporting documentation to prove that your taxes is legit and that is not any issue. Thank you.